Good morning. My name is Brandon. I'm a service technician working on the NSX. Got it in good listening vehicle. We're doing the engine oil change, timing belt replacement, and diagnosing this AC consignment out. Did confirm the vent delivery temperatures were pretty much, ambient temperatures. This is an R12 system. Our machine currently does not have enough to recharge it, but I did try and recover what was left. Almost nothing came out. Just for future ease of use with the system, diagnosing, recharging, stuff like that, I am having a R12 to 134 conversion kit quoted out. Basically, we just, replace the fittings, replace the oil inside the system, and then you could use 134A, which is a much more common refrigerant. During the vehicle inspection, a couple things we noted. The battery did fail and having to jump this car every time I try and move it. We'll be replacing the coolant with the timing belt. Brake fluid still looks good. You have an oil leak coming from the engine oil pan. Beginning to come to a drip down here. Recommend just replacing that gasket. Brakes are good at about 7 millimeters in the rear and 8 in the front. There are no other fluid leaks or concerns we need to address. No further recommendations at this point, but we want to thank you for bringing the vehicle to us and let you know that we do appreciate your business.